Mopping under the basket. We're done. Not running the clock when it should be, and then giving them extra points. Shoot. Darn it.
Come on, defense! Come on, defense! You gotta move! You gotta move!
Don't let him take that.
Don't run for the ball, Connor! Get the ball!
No. Dang. Oh. Shoot.
It's all right. You gotta shake it off and get it back. You gotta shake it off and get the ball back. Let's go.
Rebound that ball.
You gotta get the ball, boys. Let's do it.
When he hits the rim, get that rebound.